Hello everyone. Today we are going to begin class 8th mathematics CBSE in CRT chapter 2. We are going to introduce the new chapter linear equation in one variable. Hope, what is linear equation in one variable? You know very well variable. It is one of the unknown value, that is we are indicating by the small letters A to Z. Any one letter you can choose to represent the variable. But variable is a unknown value, but we are going to find the value. What is linear equation? Linear meaning it is giving the line. It is one of the straight line. But what is equation? Equation means there are two things, left hand side and right hand side. Together we call it as equal. Equation means equality, equal. Both the things are equal. So linear equation in one variable. The linear equation in one variable is an which is expressed in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0. Here, what are a and b? A and b are the two integers and x is one of the variable and it has only one solution. Means for x we can find out only one solution. A and b are the two integers. Why they have not taken whole number and natural numbers? Why they have chosen integers? Because here the x value might be positive or negative. So they have considered as there are a and b are two integers. So what are linear equation? Let us come to define a linear equation in one variable. It is one of the equation. So a linear equation in one variable is an equation which has maximum of one variable of order 1. What do you mean order? Oh, I did not thought you order and degree, right? So order means we have already learned, my dear students, exponents, powers, indices. Here, what is the x power? X power is 1. That is what they are saying, order 1. If it is ax square plus b means x power will be 2, order will be 2. So, here always the order will be 1. A linear equation in one variable on which has maximum one variable of order 1. So this is a standard form for the linear equation, that is ax plus b is equal to 0. Hope I said a and b are the one of the real numbers and integers. Both a and b are, they will be never equal to 0. If they b might be equal to 0 or if it is not, then they are saying very clearly a and b are not equal to 0. This is all about the linear equation. Hope you got that. What is order? Order means power or indices, exponents. Here x is not having any power, so it is indicating 1. Now we are going to solve the linear equation in one variable. I could have suggested that there are 4 steps you can follow. It is according to the equation, my dear students. Step 1, you can see that by using the LCM means least common multiple to clear the fractions if any. If fractions are there, then we have. Otherwise, we can go for simplify both the sides of the equation. As I mentioned earlier, we have to isolate the variable, then we have to verify our answer. Whatever you are getting the answer, we have to verify. You can cross check it. You can become teacher for yourself whether you have done correct or wrong. Now variable in one side, how to solve it? Let me take one example. 2x minus 3 is equal to 17. We have learned in the 7th standard to solve the equation there are two methods. One is balancing method, one is transposing method. What is balancing method? Now 2x minus 3 can be balanced by adding 3. What is this balance? Because we have to make the isolate. Here no fraction, nothing, no need to simplify. So we are going for the third step, isolate. Now I want to separate the x variable. How can I separate? Already minus 3 is there. If I add plus 3, the only 2x will be left out. So I am going to add plus 3. Whatever I am going to do, I should do for both the sides. So plus 3 plus 3. It has become 20. Here it is minus 3 plus 3 got cancelled. 2x. 2x is equal to 20. Now what shall I do? I have to remove this 2 also. For that I have to divide by 2. If I divide by 2, only x will be left out. 20 divided by 2 will be getting x is equal to 10. In the same way, transposing method. How can we transpose? What we can be transpose? See, first 2x with the minus 3 is there. If this minus 3, if I shift, it will become plus 3. So 2x is equal to 17 plus 3. 2x is equal to 20. 17 plus 3, 20. Now it is multiplication is there. I have to transpose. So it will become division. Minus has become plus. Multiplication will become division. So 20 by 2, x is equal to 10. This is a two method we can solve the variables. Now we'll go for the variable on both the sides. Both left hand side also variable will be there. Right hand side also variable is there. Simple. You have to separate the constant in one side. Variable you have to separate in one side. Now there is a 2x minus 3, x plus 2. So that what can I do? This x I can shift to another side. It is plus become minus. 2x minus x, 2 plus 3, 5. So 2 minus 1 x means you will be getting x. X is equal to 5. You can verify this answer. If x is equal to 5, in the left hand side there is 2x minus 3. So 2 into 5 minus 3, 10. 2 5s are 10 minus 3, 7. In the same thing, in the right hand side there is x plus 2. So x plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is a variable if they are in the both the sides. There will be another case we have to form the equation. Here, when we have to form the equation, the words are plays very important role. Here, more than, less than, times. But this more than indicates the plus, less than indicates minus, times indicates multiplication. More than increasing, total, sum, altogether. These all words indicating addition. Less than, deduct, decrease, or less, left. This word indicates subtraction, times, off, repeated, or product. Like these words will be indicating multiplication. And these words are plays a very important role, and by using these words only we have to frame the equation. Forming equation and framing equation. We have to frame the equation and we have to solve it. The next one is cross multiplication. If the given equation is like in the form of p by q or in the form of fraction like this, so what can we do? That time we have to cross multiply. That's why I have put the sign here cross. Cross means like a multiplication. If it is cross, it is indicating 3 and 2x plus 3. So 3 into 2x plus 3, 8 into x plus 1. 8 into x plus 1. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 6x plus 9 and 8x plus 8. So we will be getting what? 6. Now we have got this. Both the side we have the variable. Both the side we have variable means what we can do? We have to separate them. So I separate the constant. Now 9 is this side. So I brought 8 to this side, left side. So 9 minus 8 side. Then 6x I shifted to that side. It has become minus, so 9 minus 8, 1. Say 8x minus 6x will be getting 2x. So x is equal to half. We have got the value x is equal to half. In this way, this entire chapter includes these all the concept. So, what are linear equation? How to solve the linear equation which is having only one variable. One variable is having only one solution, I said. So, for these all problems, there is only one solution and one variable. And there are different method, situations also. Variable on both the sides it may come. It may ask you to frame the equation. It may ask you to cross multiply and find the variable value. Hope you understood how to solve these all linear equation in one variable. So enjoy the linear equations. Will in a different way, different method, by using that you can solve the equation and you can find the variable. Thank you one and all.